Looking for a motherboard that balances performance and price? The ASUS Z590M Plus fits the bill perfectly. Designed with the Intel LGA 1200 socket, it unlocks the full potential of 11th Gen Intel Core processors, giving your system a serious boost without the premium price tag. What sets this board apart is its enhanced power solution. Equipped with 10 DrMOS power stages, a ProCool connector, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, it ensures stable power delivery even under the most demanding workloads. That means smoother performance and better reliability when you need it most. Cooling is no afterthought here. The Z590M Plus features a VRM heatsink, PCH heatsink, hybrid fan headers, and the Fan Xpert 4 utility. This combination keeps temperatures in check, allowing your system to run efficiently and quietly, even during intense gaming or heavy multitasking sessions. Memory performance gets a noticeable lift thanks to ASUS Optimum 2 technology. By optimizing the trace layout, this board allows your RAM to run at higher frequencies with lower voltages, squeezing out extra speed and stability. For gamers and creators alike, that translates to smoother workflows and faster load times. Connectivity options are impressive. You get 3 2 slots for lightning-fast SSDs, 1 gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired networking, and an 2 E-key slot dedicated to wireless networking. Plus, USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 support keep your peripherals and external drives running at peak speeds. One satisfied user sums it up well: this motherboard delivers solid performance without overpaying for unnecessary features. Ideal for budget builds or hobby gamers, it supports the latest Intel processors and modern tech like M.2 drives, all wrapped in a sturdy, well-built design. If you want a practical BIOS interface and a motherboard that's ready to handle current and future demands, the ASUS Z590M Plus is worth a look. It's a dependable choice for anyone upgrading an older system or building a new one without stretching their budget. Ready to step up your PC game with a reliable, feature-rich motherboard? The ASUS Z590M Plus combines power, cooling, and connectivity in one package. Try it when you're ready and experience what a smart investment in your build can do.